EPAS, Environmental Products and Services Limited, produces a globally certified, award-winning range of grease management and food waste products, and additionally manufacture a range of plumbing components and filtration products. 18 international awards in the last 7 years is testimony to the innovative product range. EPAS does not sell boxes. We deliver efficient solutions resulting in our customers saving money, allowing them to concentrate on their core businesses without having to worry about drainage problems caused by FOGs, fats, oils, and greases, and food waste that clog up the drainage system, requiring constant pumping of grease traps and jetting drain lines. Cost savings are achieved as a result of the innovative and patented solutions, which achieve efficiencies of up to 99.72%, protecting your drainage network, avoiding the reoccurring need to pump out grease traps and jet drain lines, and the need to use water, a precious resource, to refill those grease traps. Unlike other mechanical type grease traps, GreaseShields do not use heating elements, thus avoiding fire and smoke damage risks, in addition to saving on substantial energy and environmental costs. GreaseShield products present the opportunity for revenue generation by harvesting the fats, oils, and greases, a high calorific waste stream with applications in the renewable energy and pharmaceutical sectors. GreaseShield products protect the environment and meet code compliance requirements. GreaseShields remove emulsified fats, oils, and greases retained in the hot water discharge from dishwashers, combi ovens, pre-rinse, and pot wash sinks. The GreaseShield product range of 21 solutions are certified by Underwriters Laboratories, the Plumbing and Drainage Institute, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and the Canadian Standards Association. GreaseShield has the unique status of having attained Green Tag Global certification, the first and only grease trap in the world to achieve this standard. One example of the award-winning innovative products is the GreaseShield low-level product, designed to interface with 20 grid and 10 grid ovens and deal with saturated fats, such as chicken and pork fats, which solidify when effluent temperatures fall below 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The absence of hot effluent flow in convection ovens creates more difficulties, as the fat discharge solidifies on contact with cooler effluent. The GreaseShield low-level range deals with low invert discharge points in convection ovens. 2 inlets are provided in the GreaseShield 1000 low-level product. The GreaseShield 1850 low-level has 3 inlets, allowing the potential to receive effluent from a 20 grid oven, a 10 grid oven, and from a nearby wash-up sink. That, for example, may be used to wash trays used in ovens. The Good Life kitchen produces on average 5.5 US gallons of fat every day. In a year, that adds up to 1,400 gallons, or almost 5 tons of fat. A testimonial from Paul McGill, kitchen manager for the Good Life, states, "The problems were mostly relating to loss of productivity, not being able to cook, get things prepared in time, and block drains and sewers. We go through, on a weekly basis, roughly 1 ton of cooked chicken fillets a week, 3 to 4 tons of potatoes. We weren't getting that out. Things were pretty hectic regarding consistently having to get people in to service drains and sewers, that sort of thing. Cost-wise, the business, you're talking about 300 to 400 pounds at a time. You're probably talking 800 pounds a month, equivalent to about $1,000 a month. It's pretty neat and tidy, keeps everything in shape. There are no smells whatsoever. It does its job. As long as it's emptied and kept maintained, it should work fine. I fully recommend it. I definitely would. It has worked for us from the word go. It does what it's meant to do, and we have had no problems. It's very good. Solid organic food wastes are removed from the GreaseShield so as to prevent biological degradation and anaerobic conditions developing. The GreaseShield uses 7 unique solutions for removal of food waste using one of the unique filtration options: filter shield, pre-filter, low-level filter, front-loading pre-filter, automatic solids transfer, and rotational filters. The reverse flow configuration provides a compact footprint in which to achieve fat, oil, and grease separation, working in conjunction with multiple cooperating baffles and a magnetic baffle to prevent the discharge of emulsified fats, oils, and greases. Clean gray effluent is recycled to assist in the internal cleaning of the GreaseShield and to prevent dairy or floating waste sitting and biodegrading in water at temperatures of typically 95 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Recirculation and pulsing the FOG removal process enhances FOG removal, and enables both dairy waste and FOGs to be removed. GreaseShield takes advantage of the difference in specific gravities of FOGs and water, and the waste thermal energy present in effluent being discharged from kitchens to remove FOGs and saturated fats before solidification. The FOG removal is enhanced by creating a whirlpool effect and recirculating gray effluent. The FOG removal means comprises an oleophilic and hydrophobic roller which attracts FOGs and repels water, working in cooperation with a long-lasting wiper blade having anti-static properties. No maintenance is required for the FOG roller, but if it is touched by hand, then it must be cleaned down with washing up liquid and a damp cloth. Simplicity of operation. Removes the need for staff to access the internal workings of the unit or the GreaseShield unit to be pumped out. The FOG cartridge, now available in durable polycarbonate or 304 stainless steel, is graduated to enable a record to be maintained for how much FOG is being removed daily. The FOG cartridge and pre-filter or solids cartridge or filter shield or inline cartridges should be emptied and washed daily. A spray hose is supplied to assist kitchen staff to carry out daily maintenance. A daily maintenance log is provided with each GreaseShield. All GreaseShields are controlled by a PLC, allowing the units to work 24/7. GreaseShields work while the kitchen is working. The standard operating program calls for the FOG removal means to pulse on for 5 minutes from 7 a.m. in the morning to 2:30 a.m. the following morning, but can be set to work 24/7. The recirculation feature activates for 10 seconds in every 90 seconds during FOG removal operations. LED lights indicate visually main power to the GreaseShield unit, another for FOG removal, and a third indicates the recirculation function and transfer of FOGs from one level tank or two bundled FOG storage tanks. Bolt-ons enable GreaseShields to handle floor drains and combined flows in multiples of 1.32 gallons per second. PDF, AutoCAD, and 3D Revit drawings are available to architects, hydraulic engineers, kitchen designers, facilities maintenance staff, multiples, plumbers, and catering equipment distributors. Free technical support is available in respect of sizing, selection, and mechanical, electrical, and plumbing requirements, further supported by technical and training videos. The award-winning and globally certified GreaseShield delivers sustainable, cost-effective solutions whilst harvesting a source of renewable energy and saving you money. Don't let money go down the drain.